Today, we're talking about something that's been all over social media, the Wowee Cleaner. You might have seen it in those super satisfying videos where someone sprays it on a greasy oven door and it magically wipes clean in seconds. But, is it really that good? Or just another viral marketing trick? Let's take a closer look. According to the ads, Wowee Cleaner is a super-powered all-purpose cleaner that cuts through grease, grime, and stains instantly. It's promoted as non-toxic, safe around pets and food, and apparently strong enough to handle everything from barbecue grills to laundry stains. They even say 1/8-ounce bottle of concentrate makes 16 bottles of ready-to-use cleaner. Sounds impressive, almost too good to be true. Here's what they claim. The formula works on a molecular level, breaking down buildup, instead of just covering it. That's marketing language we see a lot, but what really matters is what's in it. Since the company says it's non-toxic and made in the USA, it's likely based on natural degreasing agents, surfactants, and emulsifiers, the same stuff used in many other multipurpose cleaners. So while it's not a bad thing, it may not be as revolutionary as the ads suggest. The ads definitely use clever visuals, showing instant dissolving grease shots that look amazing. But keep in mind, many of these are staged demonstrations using pre-treated surfaces or lighting tricks. That doesn't mean Wowee Cleaner doesn't work. It just means what you see online might not reflect the average real-life result. So, here's the bottom line. Wowee Cleaner might be a solid, everyday multipurpose cleaner, but it doesn't seem to be a miracle in a bottle either. If you've already tried it, or if you're thinking about it, share your thoughts in the comments. Does it actually live up to the Wowee name, or is it just wow? Meh. Your experience could help others decide before buying. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more breakdowns of viral products like this one. See you in the next video.